Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share for My Crafting World Designs. She is Anna, My Crafting World Anna, here on YouTube and Instagram. I will have all of her information linked in the description box. And I am sharing some projects that I created using her dies. And I have a coupon code, which is Lisa G10. Lisa G10, and you can save 10% off of your order at My Crafting World Designs. So, first I'm going to show you how I finished packaging up the bag toppers that I showed in my last video. I will have that one linked as well if you missed it. Some really great ideas on that one. So I had shared this in the last video of how I used the word Bling, which is in her June release of Crafty Words. She has like 3 sets of Crafty Words, okay? And this bag topper is also from My Crafting World Designs. It was in last month's release. So this is just how I was sharing how you can go ahead and get prepared for, you know, your racks, your swaps, your challenges. So these are ready to go. Even if you just want to send something, you can just pick it and go. So I did that. Here is a bag topper that I shared, but it wasn't pleated with the sequins. So I just mixed up a sequins mix. So now I have another one that is ready to go. The word sequins was in a previous release in her shop. But like I said, she has 3 sets of those type crafty words. Okay, I shared these bag toppers. But I didn't share the bows. It was just the bag toppers. But this is how I packaged them up. I had used the word die, which is bows, and this is her new star bow. You get 2 sizes. You get the large and the small in this set, okay? So that is that one. This one is the bag topper. You get the large and the small in this set. They come together so you can see the large and the small. Here is the June release of words. You get the MDX, treats, trim, goodie, bows, and bling. So that is how I packaged up these bows here. And I just put some little dangles on the bows. Really nice bow. I love it. It is so pretty. So that is some items there. So one of the things that I'm sharing in this video is this right here. And this is the Spool Die. You get 2 different ends. You know, you get your little dotted scallop, and then you get, it's like a little teardrop scallop. You get 2 sizes, okay, of width of your spool. So I will show you what I created. So this one here is the smallest width, and I want to say it is put together, it is like 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch for this ribbon here. So this was like a ruffled, so it actually fit on there perfect. The trim is a little bit wider, but it still fit perfect. And this is how I decorated the top, okay? But this one, yeah, it has a little bead. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little pineapple bead that, you know, for like a little handle. I used the trim word die, and I just put some little leaves and flowers. So that is ready to go. This one here, I have not put any ribbon on it, but I just decorated it up with some flowers and some little dewdrops. And this one is, let's see, how did I do this one? This is like 1 3/4. So what I did is I took these two and I put them together, and that made this width. I mean, your options are like endless. Your options are endless with this die set here, and all your different size ribbons and trim. Okay, this one right here, I used this lace trim, and I actually put 2 of the larger ones together, and I made this one here. And I just put the word trim on the top, and I just put some little flowers, and then on the back I just put a whole bunch of little flowers to cover up the foam. So that is that one. Okay, and then let's see, I made this one here. I did this one just a little bit different. I did not use any kind of lace or trim. I used beads. So I labeled this one beads. And I just decorated that up. So what I did, let me find the ends. I think this is the ends. Is that the end? I left a piece of string and I wrapped it around. Hold on a minute, let me find the ends. Okay, I found the end. So what I did is I just got some thread, and you can use any kind of string that you have that will go through your beads. And I have like literally a little bucket full of beads that when I'm packing up my stuff for my shop, any beads that I have left over, I just dump it in this container. And so what I did is I got this thread. Now this is some really kind of thick thread. And I just started just beading some beads on the string. Oh no, this thing don't want to focus today. So I just beaded. Let me see how long this is. This is a little over half a yard of beads. And I wasn't even picking the beads. I was just picking them up and going with it. So the string is, I just tied it around the spool. And then I just started wrapping the beads. Like this. And this is a great way if you just want to gift some beads. So I just wrapped it. And then I left a long piece of string on the end. And then I just wrapped it. Because you're not going to be able to see it. And when you wrap it like that, it's going to hold. See, it's going to hold your beads on there. It's going to hold it on the spool. So I thought that was a pretty neat way to just gift some random beads. I mean, you could actually do the beads all the same if you wanted to. But I had so many, I just wanted to wrap some up. So I do believe I am going to do some more of these like this. So I think that's a really neat idea. So that is one there. And then the last one I made with the spool is this one here. And I just got this like little Chanel yarn on here, and I just made a triple decker, and I just stacked them on top of each other and glued them together. And I just labeled it trim, put some of my flowers there that I created, and I just put a dangle here. So I know everybody's into the pink lemonade now, so this will definitely go with a pink lemonade theme. That's what I was going for. So that is that one. Okay. So with all of these that I made, I am going to show you something that I did with one of these. So this one right here, that you could tell I put these beads here, and I'm going to put like a little dangle on this right here. I don't know how I forgot to do that, but there will be like a little dangle. But this is a cap that you can take off, okay? And look what's on the inside. So on the inside, I have some little clay bits, okay? So that is my secret department for some clay bits. You could do sequin mixes, all kinds of stuff that you could put in this right here. I mean, basically it would be like sequins or clay bits or something like that. So that will be your compartment to hold your little sequins. So if anybody wants to know how I did this, just let me know. But I mean, that is what it looks like right there, and that is just my little cap to go on there. So I thought that was really, really neat. And then of course the bottom is just, I just covered it up with a 1-inch punch. You know, you can cover it up with anything. So that is how I did that one there. So I really thought that was a cute idea. So you can gift some sequins and some trim at the same time in this cute little container. So that is my projects for my Crafting World designs. I will be back with some more projects, and everything will be in the description box. I will have the links, the website, and also use my coupon code, which is LisaG10, to save some money, okay? And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.